Oh gosh, specific foods. I'm a big nut eater myself.
Yeah.
I like all of the nuts pretty much. And so I'm always having, a bag of almonds. I've always got a bag of cashews. I've always got a bag of pistachios on hand. Those are easy to take. They're high in protein.
Right.
And, I can feel good about those. Of course, they're even better for you if they're not roasted. It takes a little adjusting, I think, palate wise to want to eat almonds straight or, other ones.
The sprouted ones tend to be a little more palatable for me than the raw ones.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I like those too as well. Almonds, I think they're even a little bit sweet when they're not roasted and salted. But
Right.
yeah, I love having nuts on hand. We also eat a lot of beans. We don't eat a ton of meat at our house. So I'm a big bean person. Again, I like all the beans. I like black beans and pinto beans and navy beans and kidney beans and all the beans. So those are fun to mix up. And I've just really had a good time with my Instant Pot later.
Okay.
I feel like it allows me to be totally irresponsible and forget. I haven't thought about dinner all day. And then I can go from like frozen chicken parts to dinner in about an hour with that thing. And it makes beans really fast. You don't have to soak them overnight before you do with their crock pot.
Yeah.
In the Instant Pot, you can go from dry beans to ready to eat in an hour.
Very cool.
So that's amazing. I love the Instant Pot. In fact, I just bought myself another Instant Pot cookbook for all the things all the different things that you can make in there. Right. And I think really for me too, the planning is a crucial component, which I don't do very well at all. When I do, it's great. It's fantastic. It's just instead of it swirling through my brain all day, what am I going to make for dinner? What am I going to make for dinner? What am I going to make for dinner?
Yes.
If you plan, it's just done. And then you can just execute the plan.
Exactly.
So I know it's a pain in the butt. I really hate doing it. But once you do it, that is what makes life easier for the whole week.
Right. Exactly. And then you feel like I'm making good choices instead of, I just decided in the last 30 minutes, this is what we're going to eat. And it wasn't the best choice, but it's got food on the table. And that's not where we want to be, because in the long run, we're always cutting ourselves short of those good, nutritious, meals that we could be making. And we have the time for, but we do have to plan ahead of time. And my bean hack is I have a mill. So I put my dry beans in there and make powder out of them. And I can make anything with bean powder. So you can make dips, you can make gravy with it instead of flour. And
I feel like cauliflower these days too. You can make anything out of cauliflower.
Right, exactly.
Right?
Yes.
Rice and pancakes and pizza crust and everything. You can make everything out of cauliflower.
Yep. Yeah.